Hello everybody, Lone Wolf Rick here, and I have just finished a little breakfast here at this McDonald's on Tropicana. Uploaded my morning video of views from Las Vegas, and it is still, it's about 9:30 right now here in Las Vegas. It's still about 46 degrees, so it's slowly warming up, but it's still a little on the cool side. And of course, I've got a ice cold Dr. Pepper with me to help with that 46-degree temperature. And I thought we'd walk down here and take a look at this road construction that's still going on here on Tropicana and the off-ramp. So if anybody's coming to Las Vegas this summer, or this year for that matter, please avoid this area right in here. This off-ramp is going to be closed up until about July of next year, as they're kind of widening it and doing all kinds of stuff here to make, I guess, easier access onto Tropicana. Take a look over there where the Wild Wild West used to be. So far, Station Casinos hasn't released anything on what they're going to do with that land. So it'll be interesting to see if they're going to develop it themselves. You know, they're a local place. You know, local. The casinos kind of cater to the locals, I guess what I'm trying to say. So this one will be pretty close to the strip, though. It would actually compete with some of the big boys here on the strip. So it'll be interesting to see if they develop them themselves, or if they actually sell the land, or what they're going to do with it. So I guess we'll find out in time. So I had a little breakfast at McDonald's today. Had those the two sausage egg McMuffins. They dropped the price on them. It used to be 2 for $5.50. Now it's 2 for $5. I know I mentioned in the other video, it's like I had that in Anaheim Sunday before I flew out, and there it was still 2 for $5.50. So but here in Vegas, even at the local McDonald's anyway, you know, the more neighborhood McDonald's, the sodas are still $1. Now on the strip, you can't find a soda for $1. They're the regular price, like this large here, is $2 and something. And in Anaheim, it was the same. They were not $1 there. They were like 2 something. But here in Vegas, off the resort corridor, they're $1 a piece. Whether you get a medium or a large one, it's still $1. Take a look over there at T-Mobile. Last night they had Depeche Mode. I had to think for a second. I was going to call them Depeche Mode. Perform there. And then tonight, over here at the stadium, at Allegiant Stadium, Red Hot Chili Peppers is going to perform there. So it's almost like it's 90s week here in Las Vegas, huh? And you're walking across the do not walk sign. Psychic reader. I wonder if I call her, she'll know it's me. At least it's like I'm assuming the psychic reader is female. It said she. Hey, maybe I'm psychic. Maybe I know it's a she. Take a look at that big drill thing over there. So that's what we're looking at over there. With that, you can see this flyover. It's only half of it left remaining. Like I said, this construction on this area anyway will be going on until approximately July of next year. It started in January, 3 months ago, and they said at that time it would take approximately 18 months. So maybe even past July of next year, huh? That'd be more like August, I guess. You can see over here on this side, they're widening the road over here. So a lot of work's being done. Somebody lost their nacho cheese. This guy must have been in a hurry trying to get out there, huh? Let's stop and make sure those people were going to stop there. Alright everybody, I think that's going to do it for this video. It's just showed you an update of what's going on there on that site. But so keep in mind, if you're coming to Las Vegas and you're driving in, or you're maybe renting a car or whatever, try to avoid this area as much as possible. It's going to be down for about 18 months. I'm Low Warwick. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.